Thinking about new flooring but torn between laminate, traditional vinyl or SPC? Well, SPC flooring might be just the perfect choice. It's taking Irish homes by storm, and for good reason. Unlike laminate, SPC is 100% waterproof, ultra durable and designed for easy installation with a simple click-lock system. It resists warping, swelling and scratches, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, hallways and busy family spaces. Even better, you can install it right over your existing floors. No need to rip anything out. Just click it into place and go. Thanks to advanced ABA core construction, SPC flooring also feels softer underfoot, absorbs sound better, and handles Irish weather conditions with ease. It looks like real wood or stone, but without the cost or maintenance. And with Tile Merchant, you can get free sample packs delivered anywhere in Ireland, so you can see and feel the quality in your own space before you commit. Looking for stylish, low maintenance, long-lasting flooring? SPC ticks all the boxes. Check out our full blog post to learn everything you need to know about SPC vinyl flooring, from how it's made to why it outperforms laminate and traditional vinyl. Visit tilemerchant.ie today and transform your home with flooring that works as hard as you do.